Design Student Lounge on Evansdale campus, and the function of this space is to help the design students meet informally, to meet across class levels. When I went through design school, we didn't have a third space. That's what they call it, kind of a Starbucks space, right, where you can go and hang out, but still be within the creative zone. So I'm excited for our students to be able to hang out and continue the work that they do as designers all throughout the day.
Me and my fellow designer, Emily Oliver, we were in the process of actually designing this space from a storage space into what it is now. We collaborated with Kimball International and Omega. The relationship we had with Kimball was awesome because they were like, we're gonna donate all the furniture to you guys to use. So they actually took us on a field trip to their factory, and that majorly inspired us in how we wanted the room to look and feel.
We were able to come up with a concept which was hygge, and that's like a Danish word for comfort and community and relaxation. We used that idea to kind of come up with the concept of having a space that could be really social all the way to really private. So you can come in here and study, or you can come in here and have a huge group project and get all your work done.
We started with photos of what this was before, so your classic before and after photos, dramatically different. This was a storage space, and they wanted to completely change it and have it be used for students.
To actually go through an entire step-by-step process of completely renovating this space, first of all, but also all of the materials and all of the furniture and making sure that the space was ADA accessible.
So my favorite part of the design is this mural, because I actually designed that in Photoshop, and now it's a real thing, and that's crazy to me, because that's never happened before. Is I've never seen a design fully come to life that I made, because you don't really get that in a education. You only, in the real world, you go out and you make this project and it can come to life, but you don't really get that, a taste of that before you graduate.
I think that one thing that I'm really excited about is leaving something behind from my time here. I feel like a lot of people want to leave something behind during their lifetime, and it's cool that I've been able to do that. So I feel like I love the idea that I got to leave it in the building that meant so much to me.